When you're a big company with energy-intensive assets spread out across multiple locations, reducing your operational costs can be critical to your future success. But finding solutions that can scale across your entire business, well, that can be difficult. Luckily, there's Maestro Smart Assets from Elutions. Maestro helps companies with large distributed asset bases get a grip on operational data and does so in a smart, non-intrusive way, easily integrating with the individual assets and full management systems you use now, centralizing that data, and then providing you with pre-built optimization algorithms proven to reduce energy consumption. Everything you need to monitor business and asset performance from end to end and identify changes that can reduce costs while also rapidly reducing energy consumption at scale. Plus, Maestro lets you benchmark operational performance and identify even further savings that otherwise just wouldn't be made possible. Now that's smart. That's Maestro Smart. Contact an Elutions representative to get started and start saving today with Maestro Smart Assets.